Hi friends, welcome to Tennis channel once again. In this video we'll talk about HLOOKUP, that is horizontal lookup. Now before we do that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So in the previous video we looked at the VLOOKUP for vertical lookup, and this is used for searching or looking for the data which is in columns. So VLOOKUP is for columns and HLOOKUP is for rows. So the syntax for HLOOKUP is equal to HLOOKUP into the bracket what you want to look up, comma where you want to look for it, comma the row number in the range containing the value to return, comma return an approximate or exact match. So if you look at the syntaxes for VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, there are more or less the same syntax. In case of HLOOKUP, we start with HLOOKUP, and instead of the column number we give the row number here. So let's understand this syntax in detail. So here if you look at the syntax here, so HLOOKUP, what you want to look for, I want to look for, say for example I want to look for the month of February, and where you want to look for it, we need to specify the table array or the range here, and then the row number in the range containing the value to return. So which row I want the data from. Say for example I have numbered the rows here for your understanding. So February is in the first row, so I want to look for something which is there, for example in the fourth row, which is 100. Okay, so this becomes my table and this becomes my row number, which is row number 4, and then you give the approximate or exact match. So either you need to give true or false, or 1 or 0 for that. So I use normally 0 for this. Okay, so let's do the HLOOKUP for this data here. So for a beginner it will be much easier if you click on the insert function. So click on the cell where you want the result of this which HLOOKUP function, and then click on the insert function here on the formula tab. So once you click that, you get this window here where you can search for the function HLOOKUP. So HLOOKUP is already mentioned here, so I'm going to double click on this, and by default you will get this window appearing, and it will ask you to fill in the fields that are there. So there are 4 fields as per the syntax. So first we need to specify the lookup value. In this case my lookup value is this, which I'm going to click, and it starts blinking. The cell address is displayed, that is H14. So double check that. Then the table array we need to specify, so we need to select a particular area in the Excel sheet. So here I have a table. So remember we are going to select the rows. So this is my first row, so I'll select till the 6th row here. So this becomes my table array or the range. Okay, so again double check. So it is from D7 to F12. So it is mentioned here, the exact same table range is mentioned. So then the third part, row index number. So which row you want the data from. So here the row numbers are mentioned. So you can say for example I want to look for the 4th row, so I'll mention it as 4. So I mentioned already typed here, so I'm going to select that. It starts blinking, so H15 is displayed. Then you go for the range lookup, that is the logic you need to give here. So I'm going to type false, and the result gets displayed in this window, but I want it on the sheet, so I'm going to click OK. So as soon as I click, I get the result as 100. Now why 100 is coming? Because I'm telling the system to look for February and to fetch the data that is there in the 4th row, which is this. So this row is the 4th row. So the system looks for February in the 4th row, whatever is the data it gets as the result. So again remember, whenever you use the HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP, you always need to have 2 sets of data which is similar in nature or should be the exact one, otherwise the HLOOKUP does not work. So once you get the data, now you can explore the inputs here. So you can change the inputs from February to Jan. The result will change, so it will show 30 because 30 is in the Jan column. So as per that the result will also get changed, or if you change the input as March here, then again the result will change, or if you change the row numbers, so it will also again it will consider the result differently. So you can see for March on the 5th row it is 51. So like this we can go on this exploring it. And now when you have a list, say for example here Jan, Feb, March, only 3 options are available. So if you have a large set of labels like this, so once you do this HLOOKUP for one row, you can copy and paste the same formula for all other labels. Say for example I have 12 months from January to December, and I do the HLOOKUP for the January month. I don't need to do it for the other months. I can do it, I can just copy and paste the same formula. The same result or the same data fetching will happen for all others as per the syntax that you have mentioned. Okay, so again one more thing, remember, if you don't have the data available here, say for example I don't have April, May, June, December, September, they don't appear in this range. So if you give that, then system will show you some error because that data is not available. Same thing if you check with the row numbers. So if you mention something which is not selected, say for example if you mention the row number, say here only 6 rows are there, if you mention 8, then you'll get a #ref error. That means that your range is invalid. So these things you need to be very careful. So you need to give the row numbers which are only selected, otherwise it will show you some other errors. So that was HLOOKUP function for you guys. So please let me know in the comment section if you need more information or if you need any help about this Excel function, and also let me know if you want me to create a video for a particular Excel function. I'll do that, so please do that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please share this video with other people who like to learn more things in Excel. Thank you.